What's going on YouTube? Keith Moore Jr. here, your boxing coach and personal trainer. So for today's video, I'm going to help you all with finding a boxing gym so you can get started on your boxing journey. Whether it's for fitness or you are looking to compete, the things that you should be looking for before joining a gym. So first and foremost, you have to do your research. Don't just show up to the first gym you drive by and go in and join that gym. Get online, look at the reviews, see what people are saying about the gym, and also check out the social media page of the gym. Nowadays, 9 times out of 10, any gym is going to have Instagram, TikTok, some gyms may even have a Facebook. But go on there, look at the videos, check out the type of training that is occurring, and you will be able to tell from an eye test if the coaches that are working with the members really know what they're talking about. That's first and foremost. You want to be somewhere that people consider a great boxing gym so that you can learn all about the sweet science. Number 2, a lot of people are like, all right, what equipment do I need to have? What do I need to bring? Well, check out what the gym has, because most times gyms will have the equipment for you. The gym I go to is lights out, so provide wrist wraps for you with the company's name on it. So if you're ever in the Wesley Chapel area, definitely come check out lights out. Or if you're just in Tampa in general, come check out the gym. All the coaches here are great. But in addition to the wraps, there are also gloves and shoes at the gym. So don't just go blindly online purchasing a lot of items. Find out what you're going to need first when you come to the gym. Now you have to decide, are you looking to do boxing for fitness or are you looking to compete? So if you're looking to compete, you're going to be working in a lot more of a one-on-one setting with a coach. So you really want to do your due diligence there. You want to check out their fighters, see how their fighters do, check out the training that they do of their fighters. And even if you would like to say, hey, can I watch a session, that coach may allow you to do that. Not all coaches will let you do that, but before you make that commitment financially to going all in for training for a fight and paying a coach, you definitely want to make sure you do your due diligence there. Now, on the fitness side of things, which in my opinion, now I've done a lot of things from playing sports, doing bodybuilding, and now I do boxing. Boxing is the greatest workout. I'm in the best shape that I've ever been in, and I'm 33 years old. I'm in the best shape that I've ever been in my life. So in my opinion, boxing is the best workout that you can do. And I have tried other combat sports as well. I tried Muay Thai for a while, so if you all are familiar with my channel, you saw me talk about that in the past. But just from an overall fitness perspective, boxing is unmatched. Like the conditioning aspect, the strength, everything comes together, and it's always a full body workout. So if you all check out other channels on YouTube, you all will know the benefits of having full body workouts. So it's also great for functional training as well. So from a fitness perspective, like, hey, I don't want to compete, I don't want to spar, but I do want to go to a boxing gym and just improve my overall fitness level, then that's where those reviews are going to come in handy. And then a lot of gyms will allow you to do your first class for free. So go in, give it a shot, try a free class, and that is the starter pack for starting on your boxing journey, the things to look for before joining a boxing gym. It's very simple, a very simple checklist. And then from there, you begin to progress based on whatever your goals are. So if it's boxing for a fitness level, then, you know, push yourself more and more each class. But if it's boxing more so for I'm looking to compete, then a good coach will progress you in a proper way. All right, so I hope you all find this video helpful. I will catch you all next time. Sorry for the lack of uploads the past week. I've been traveling. I was in Colombia last week, so I'm going to be getting out a lot of uploads for you all this week. All right, I'll catch you all in the next video. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you are in Tampa or Wesley Chapel, come to Lights Out Boxing Gym. I'll be here. Peace.